archive, and he's a moron.
We'd like to dine in peace if you don't mind.
Oh, yes, of course. And why don't you clink your glasses to the full members of our staff that I let go this week?
Yeah, ask yourself why.
Because you took them alive.
Watching Waterloo Road in the background, my favorite trash at the moment. So, this is beginning of the process. Deselect all.
Check back. You've been warned.
And what do we want? Google Drive.
Hey, Jade. Thought I'd pop in and see how you are.
Didn't expect to visit.
I've got some bits and pieces from everyone else on the road.
What is in Google One?
Thank you so much.
Just here, Google One member data,
Jade,
Google Photos.
you were in care with Drew and what we did.
He didn't mean to do it. I loved Drew, but I thought I might be pregnant. And I knew everything had to change. That's why I enrolled.
You made the right decision. You've got to think about yourself now and your baby. We'll be there for you both night at school.
Okay, so next step,
You might want to read this.
send download link via email. And what size zips do we want?
Beautiful Jade. Please forgive me for breaking my promise to you again.
So it was 76,
Please get the hell back.
2 gigabytes.
Oh. When I'm better, maybe we can meet up again. You, me, and I'll say
Do 10 gigabytes.
I love you. And you know I'd do anything for you. Good luck at what we do, bro. I know you'll do brilliant.
Okay, so
I'll walk.
okay.
This is more good.
I guess they're gonna string us along to see what happens with the car crash.
Photos will be all over YouTube. I'm just wondering if you fancy going to see a movie later.
So this I didn't want. This I didn't want.
No money back there.
Oh, God, that's annoying. So
You're not driving in that state.
that's it for this video. I've downloaded the first step.
Yeah, folks. Celebrate this
How to
Just need to have a look on. He's a moron.
Watch your back.
organize your Google Takeout and download it for the purpose of eliminating the chaos within decades of photos to files
I need to talk. C'est important.
and folders and multiple formats. And now I need to clean up my desktop and get rid of everything from the initial failed process. And now we're starting over. So see you a little bit later when this is ready.
C'est quoi ça?
I made eggs.
Qu'est-ce que tu as mis dedans?